Morning traders. Welcome to today's Trade Ideas and Signal. Always have it at the back of your mind that this is Trade Ideas and Signal for a reason. It's not a financial advice. So always trade with the money you can afford to lose. That's my disclaimer. Okay. So without delaying ourselves, we did analyze yesterday that we are expecting some reaction from this particular level that we have here. But markets did us dirty and were unable to capitalize on me. We didn't have the opportunity of trading from that particular level. So we did have some reactions from the level that we did pick, but some markets did not eventually give us our expectation from the market because I did analyze that these are minor shifts and we have a trend change here and we're anticipating that price will come back from here to mitigate this other block that we have here. But as we can see, market spends almost all yesterday from 9 in the morning till 4 in the evening. 9 in the morning, more than seven, close to almost 7 hours within this range, and we were anticipating the fact that maybe we're going to kind of have some reaction from the place. But as we can see, the market did not give us what we are anticipating. So, but I came in yesterday evening and I saw this particular something because this a minor strong glow was my level of invalidation, was the level of invalidation that I'm anticipating in the market. So anticipating this level, I was expecting that maybe we're going to kind of have some reversal in the market, and I did some analysis here, noticing some major shifts in the market and trend change. But we are still within this level. But wherever make this low to be invalidated suggests that maybe we are going lower. So, and as we can see that I did pick this level, this particular level here, to be an internal structure of 4 hour. And I believe maybe we kind of going to have some reversal from the level and did trade lower. And even though I picked the trade and the trade was still in, I'm still in the trade anyway. So expecting that maybe it will go lower. But waking up this morning to market and see what it did overnight, I kind of believe that okay, our direction from the internal structure on daily is still kind of holding. So, market leads, we follow. Whatever market does is what we're going to kind of follow through. And we try to base our trades on. So, from what we have here, from what we are looking at this morning, the only clear setup I can see is this particular order block that was created, that is created here overnight. And actually, was expecting this is what level that mitigates my internal structure that I'm expecting from this level. That very value gap is no longer useful. So that I was expecting from this level to send markets lower. And as you can see, we have a deeper retracement into trading, see price trading and ranging within the something. And as we can see, we are having some reaction breaking above it. But this other block that we did create here is kind of giving me some things that still persuading me that okay, we can go up. But this is a game of probability, and number is statistics is our hedge. So if you are having this now, what I would suggest we do is number one, let's take out Asian range and try to do some analysis within this level. Uh, let's pick it this way. Uh, this one to be out of it. So let's erase all this. notations that we have here. This is our dealing range, and we'll be expecting some things to be happening in the markets. Okay, so if we have this level like this, it's a very clean level. And picking from daily, we can see we have this above order block here that is giving us some kind of reaction in the markets. So if we are having this type of reaction in the markets, two things are expected to happen. Even though I strongly believe in this internal structure that we have here because it's perfectly aligned and serving as a proportion block for this little other block that we have here. And it did give us a very good mitigation from that level. So what I'm expecting from here now is the fact that okay, we'll be reacting from this internal structure. And until this low is being broken, I still believe in my buy. Even though I placed a sell yesterday, kind of trying to capitalize on whatever is going to happen within this level here. Because I noticed this particular level here. So thinking of whatever might want to happen within this level, within this leg, because this is the leg that invalidates our buy here. So we are placing a buy from this particular level here. So that's our buy, another buy that market created. But as we can see, it's got invalidated. I don't know why, but personally, I'm thinking it's because of this imbalance that we have here. And the market starting out from here. But on Friday, when I saw what the market did and we got tapped in with this leg, I know that we're going to have some retracement back into the block and give us another opportunity to buy. But waking up to see my price starting from this leg, I was expecting that okay, the imbalance has been filled. But if we did buy and markets did give us another buy opportunity, then I be considering this imbalance to be what market came back to filled yesterday. So without over analysis, I'll still be sticking with my buy, and this will be my level of invalidation here. This is the strong low that we have, major strong low. But personally, we can see that money has been transferred from this level to this level here. So if that give us, so then here automatically become our next strong low. So we'll be anticipating price to this place to be holding price from going lower. So if we are expecting price to be stopped within this level, then automatically we'll be anticipating that okay, this will be where our buys continue. I'll be expecting that all this liquidity will be raided in the markets. So um, we're having it this way. So I'll be anticipating this buy. I have another level here that I'm expecting to buy from. So this is where the first trade that you see. Well, it's something without going on higher time frame. Let's go on higher time frame. Let's try and see. I've got this level being there to kind of like give us some levels into some reactions into the eyes. So on weekly, we really don't have much, so we can be expecting this eye to be taken out. So daily, you can see the market is really, really moving. So, we are on 4 hour, and coming to 4 hour to see all these things. We have 2 hours, 20 minutes left for this particular candle to close, and London will be opening soon. So we have this bigger order block that is created in the market. So if at all, if this particular trade, this particular level wasn't picked before we move, then that means we'll be shifting to this higher order block that we have here. So, but we will patiently wait for it to give us some kind of reaction. So we have two trades on now. We have this particular leg that I'm waiting for this leg to be mitigated before we go into the high. I don't want to jump on the price. I saw an opportunity here, but I believe the imbalance, the fair value gap that we have here have to be filled before we move into the highs. So I'll be leaving my trade like that. And number two, we continue from our internal structure and we continue to go into the highs. So if we have this trade and we have this one, then the losses that we take here and the one that I took yesterday night will be covered because we're going to be having 1 to 10 in the market. So um that this will be my trade for today. This particular one joining my Thursday trade here. So that will be all. And if you are yet to kind of where is the position? Where's the lot? No, that's the next one. So we'll be having this one is still moving. We are still having this one is still kind of going in our direction. So is another level I'm expecting price to come to. Then if peradventure we didn't have that in the markets, then you didn't give us the opportunity to kind of mitigate this level before going, then these three candles will be our other block that we'll be anticipating to trade from. But before we be taking that decision, we will let London open and see what he's going to do for Frankfurt. So that would be our two trades in the markets. Thank you very much. Have a blessed day.